What if I told you that right now? There are infinite versions of you making different choices. Welcome to the mind-bending world of multiverse mathematics, where we're about to explore how simple equations reveal that you're not just one person living one life, but infinite versions of you existing simultaneously across countless parallel realities. The concept starts with quantum mechanics, specifically something called the many worlds interpretation. Back in 1957, physicist Hugh Everett proposed that every time a quantum event occurs, the universe doesn't just choose one outcome. It splits into multiple branches, each containing a different outcome. Think about every decision you've ever made. That time you almost took a different job, or almost said yes to that date, or almost bought that lottery ticket. According to multiverse math, there are universes where you did all those things. The mathematics behind this is both beautiful and terrifying. It all comes down to probability waves and superposition. In quantum mechanics, particles exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. The mathematical equations that describe this behavior don't just predict probabilities. They mathematically require that all possibilities actually exist. This isn't science fiction. It's the logical conclusion of the equations that govern our reality. Now let's talk about infinity, because that's where things get really wild. Mathematicians have proven there are different sizes of infinity. Some infinities are bigger than others. When we apply this to the multiverse, we're talking about an infinite number of universes containing every possible variation of reality. There's a universe where you're a billionaire, another where you're homeless, one where you never existed, and one where you're the ruler of the world. The mathematical probability of any particular outcome approaches zero when you have infinite possibilities, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It means everything exists somewhere. String theory takes this even further. According to this framework, our universe might be just one membrane floating in a higher dimensional space, with countless other membranes representing other universes. The math here involves complex equations with 10 or 11 dimensions, and the solutions to these equations naturally produce a multiverse. What's truly disturbing is what this means for free will. If every possible version of you exists, then are you really making choices? Or are you just experiencing one path through an infinite maze of predetermined possibilities? The mathematics suggests that your consciousness is just riding one particular wave function through the multiverse. But here's the most mind-blowing part. This isn't just theoretical. There are mathematical proofs that support the multiverse. The inflationary theory of the universe, which explains why the cosmos is so uniform, mathematically requires that inflation never stops completely, creating endless bubble universes. The fine-tuning of our universe's physical constants, which seem perfectly calibrated for life, makes more sense if there are infinite universes with different constants. We just happen to be in one that supports our existence. So what does this mean for you personally? It means that somewhere out there, there's a version of you who made all the right choices, caught all the breaks, and achieved everything you ever dreamed of. But also, there are versions of you living your worst nightmares. The mathematics doesn't discriminate, it gives us everything. This realization can be either terrifying or liberating. On one hand, it suggests that your struggles and triumphs might be statistically inevitable. On the other hand, it means that in the grand scheme of things, your current reality is just one thread in an infinite tapestry. The equations that govern quantum mechanics don't just describe probabilities, they describe actualities. Every time you face a choice, the universe branches. Every quantum fluctuation creates new realities. The math is clear. Infinity isn't just a concept, it's a physical reality. So the next time you wonder, what if? Remember, there's a universe where that what if is your reality. The mathematics of the multiverse reveals that you are both uniquely you and simultaneously every possible version of you. It's a humbling, awe-inspiring, and yes, disturbing reality that comes straight from the equations that describe our reality. Which version of you do you think is living the best life? Let me know in the comments.